You may be looking at your data in Google Analytics and wondering, wait a sec, every time I go to my site, I'm in there. I count as a user. My sessions are part of the reports. Well, stick around today if you want to learn how to remove yourself from your data and much more. Hi, I'm Cynthia. I help people create and sell online courses. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up your Google Analytics so that you're no longer part of the data. So we're going to create a filter to exclude your IP address. And what I wanted to do as an introduction is quickly explain the three views. So the first view is the raw data, and the purpose is to keep the data unfiltered, intact. The next view is going to be called test view, and you're going to use that to test your settings. And your master view, this is where you're going to do your final analysis and reporting. So without further ado, let's dive in. So go to Admin, View Settings, and you've got a default view there. Just rename it to Raw Data and save. Then create a second view called Test View. So you've got two views now, Raw Data and Test View. All right, so now we're going to edit the test view. Go into View Settings and exclude all hits from known bots and spiders. Now we're going to copy the view and call it Master View. Now Master View is a copy of Test View. Now we're going to create filters. We're working with the test view, add filter. Name it Exclude Internal Traffic. And we're using here a predefined filter, exclude traffic from the IP addresses that are equal to. To find your IP address, you type in to Google, what is my IP? Then you can copy paste your IP address. And just save that. So this time we're working with Master View. And we're going to create a new filter. But this time we're going to use the filter we created in the test view. Well, this video concludes my mini-series on helping you get started with Teachable. If you missed any of the videos, I did put them together on a playlist for you. Don't forget to reach out to me at any point if you have any questions. Take care and thanks for watching.